matches the rest of your
I'm in and out with the boys. Oh shoot, your face is like right in front of the sun. Spotted an 8.6. First time seeing one in person. It's sick. I love the front bumper. I would definitely do a front bumper swap for mine. I know I want to. This thing looks so more aggressive.
So more better.
It looks much.
So more
I can't even talk. I'm so hungry. Alright, so not too long ago I tried Whataburger for the first time, and it is nothing compared to In-N-Out, bro. Have you tried a Whataburger, Jason?
I love Whataburger.
You love it? Are you serious? I don't like Whataburger. Maybe I got the wrong thing, but yeah, I recently went to Texas and I tried a Whataburger because it was super hyped up. Everybody was comparing it to In-N-Out. I'm from California, so we don't have a Whataburger here in San Diego. So I decided to try it out, and honestly, it had, I just felt like it had nothing on In-N-Out whatsoever. It kind of tasted like a dry Carl's Jr. in my opinion. I was pretty disappointed that, in my opinion, had nothing on In-N-Out. In-N-Out is just so bomb. But yeah, what do you guys prefer? Do you guys like In-N-Out or Whataburger? Let me know down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so we made it back home. We got the BRZ right here. And I actually have a few things that I want to do to this car today. This has literally been sitting in my garage for so long. I don't know, I forgot why I got this. I think I got this when I got the WRX. But I have a lot of leftover wrap, gloss black 3M wrap, and I really want to put this to use and put it on the BRZ. Now as you can see, we have some super dark window tints all around. And you guys know me, I always wrap the roof black with the cars. I did it on the WRX. I believe I had it on the Mustang as well. And then obviously the FRS, it's wrapped as well. I just feel like it'll top it off. We have the limo tints on the BRZ. And we just have this huge white roof right here. And as you guys saw last video, installed the gloss black windshield banner. So I just think it'll be sick if we just wrap the roof black. It'll just make everything flow. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Dude, that looks sick.
I'm telling you,
that's some nice foam right there. What soap is that?
Like
Surface wash?
forever.
Well, it's a two-step wash, so you can touchless wash your car.
I love washing. If you guys saw last video, we were washing the FRS as well. It's like therapy for me. do you like washing your car?
I love it.
It's so satisfying, and to me it is.
Yeah, no, I agree, but I just wish I had the right tools, you know?
Tools,
and
yeah.
Like, now that, I don't know, this feels way better. It's like more fun, you know?
Yeah. Damn. But yeah, anyways, getting off track. We also got a package from SubiSpeed. I'm really excited for this. These should be the clear side markers for the BRZ. Go and open these up right here. Oh yeah, these are gonna be so sick. If only we had some clear tails for the BRZ, that would be so sick. But right here we have some clear side markers. A lot of you guys have been saying in the comments below to get some clear side markers because these things stick out so much. Yeah, these are gonna make such a big difference. Cool thing is they actually have an LED inside already. Got a few things to do to the BRZ, some small details. Should definitely make a big difference. Took off the roof antenna as well, so this thing is nice and prepped up, pretty much ready to put the wrap in, so let's go and do it. This literally took me like an hour, I want to say, just to wrap this piece. It took longer than the actual roof. It's honestly not the best. Like, you can see some creases. I don't know if you guys can tell. Not the best, but we made it work. I actually seen this online where they like put a little piece of wrap right here, heat it up, and then just push it through. A little crease right there, but pretty content with how it looks. Not bad for like one of the first times ever doing the shark fin antenna. So gonna go ahead and put this back on the roof and pretty much good to go. I hate this part. Alright guys, since we're done doing the roof wrap with the BRZ, we're now moving on to the side markers. Seen a few videos, it looks pretty simple. I don't think I have to take the wheel off, but took off these 3 little pop clips. 1, 2, 3. Literally able to peel this thing back, and then I feel a 10mm back here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and then this should pop out. There you go. Little side-by-side comparison. We got the orange stock ones versus LED ones. This is gonna make such a big difference. Ooh. Put the 10mm back on. Yo, that looks so good. What do you guys think? Damn. Versus the stock side. I'm gonna turn it on. See what it looks like. Only thing is, these are still orange, so I kind of wish they were white, but shouldn't be that big of a deal. That would be sick if it was like a bright white light, but it still looks better honestly than the orange stock side. The cool thing is this is actually an OEM part. So it's straight from Japan, from Subaru, as you guys can see on the tag. So it fit perfect, literally snapped right in, just like OEM. Alright guys, we're out of the garage now. We finished with everything. We finished with the side markers as well as the roof wrap. Everything looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how everything came out. We're gonna try to grab some pictures before the sun goes down. So we're actually fighting sunset right now. Pretty recently I've been getting my eyebrows done with a haircut. Freaking hurts so bad, like getting them threaded, but I think it's worth it. What do you guys think? Yo, look at this spot. This is so sick. Got the BRZ, we got Jason, got Danny in the back. We're like taking pics in this like super rich neighborhood. One day I'll own a house in these gates right here, but we got the new roof wrap with the clear side markers. Just a nice little detail. It goes so good with the polished wheels, the headlights. It goes well with literally everything. And the roof wrap came out super clean. Matches with the banner. The shark fin antenna definitely needs some work. It's kind of like peeling up at the bottom, but it'll do for now. But look at this. This is what I was talking about. It definitely flows with the window tint. All one piece now, especially with the front windshield. And there's not just that huge piece of white in the middle. I think it flows. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the white roof or the gloss black wrap roof? Alright guys, just finished up editing today's video. It is 2:55 in the morning and I have work at 6 o'clock and I gotta leave here at like 5-ish. So I don't even know if I'm gonna sleep tonight, honestly. I'm probably just gonna end up staying up all night and just posting this up on YouTube. But yeah, got work in a few hours. In the previous video in the Q&A, I was saying if you guys give me to 100,000 subscribers, I think I'm gonna quit my 9-to-5 job. I think that's kind of like the motivation for me right now to hit 100,000. So yeah, so subscribe down below if you guys haven't already, and if you guys want me to quit my job, that's like one of the dreams, and it's up on the vision board, is to quit my job. So I think at 100K I'm gonna do it. But yeah, with that being said, that brings up this little post that I really kind of keep in my heart a lot, and it keeps me motivated and inspired. It's like this one post on Instagram says, use the 9-to-5 to fund the 5-to-9, and then I think it says like, once built, use the 5-to-9 to fund the 24/7. And that, like, I don't know, that just inspires me. That keeps me motivated, because obviously one day I want, you know, the 5-to-9, which is, you know, the YouTube, the business stuff right now, to eventually take over the 24/7, so I don't have to go to work every day to a 9-to-5. So yeah, that's, I don't know, I just really love that quote. I feel like it just hits every time. So yeah, that's, I guess, my little piece of motivation or advice for you guys, for all you who are looking to do you know, something else besides work a 9-to-5. So yeah, let's just keep working at those 5-to-9s, and yeah guys, 100,000, I think I'm gonna quit my job. So that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. I don't know if I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm probably just gonna stay up, whatever. Hope y'all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace. This thing looks so more aggressive.
So more better.
It looks much. A lot of you guys have been commenting on this as well. You guys have been wanting to clear these out. A lot of you guys have been commenting. Guys, this was so freaking hard to wrap. This literally took me like I've been getting my eyebrows done every time I get a haircut now. What do you guys think? Getting them threaded hurts. I had my girlfriend like plucking my eyebrows sometimes, but dude, threading is like on a whole nother level. Eyes teary-eyed and everything. You blend in with the plants because you're a hoodie. I think it flows. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the white roof or the gloss black raft? The shark fin antenna can need the Fuck, I can't talk.